Hello everyone. Today we are going to land passenger airlines on an aircraft carrier. Let's get started. First, the MD-90.
Alright guys, and yeah, we're gonna land. Oh, we're going 200 knots. I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh, land. Yep. Oh, I don't think so. Yep, we're not. Okay, fine. Okay, we're gonna redo. Hey guys, I sound like a kid, but I'm not a kid though. I'm not lying. Okay, oh, we're going 350 knots. No! Oh, look, a fighting jet. I think, no, that's not fighting jet. Okay, redo again. Okay, yep. Okay, what is land speed? Yes. Okay, reverse thrust. Oh, fight that. Oh, well, okay. Slowly. Yes. Okay, the MD-90 took, well, 3 attempts. Oh no, I'm falling. No! Okay, we're closing up to the aircraft carrier. I'm just gonna wait for a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some music. Bum bum ew 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 ow 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 ow. Bow bow. Oh, we're almost at the aircraft carrier. Okay, we're on land speed, yeah. Okay, gotta turn on the throttle.
Retard.
Yes, reverse thrust. I think we did it. Yeah, we did it. Yeah. Woohoo. Okay, that's done. Now we're done. Okay, this is the Boeing 737. We are going to use. Oh, we gotta refresh first. Yeah. Hey guys, soon I'm going to make a video with like that starting thing, and it's gonna be animation. So yeah, so please like and subscribe. Wow! Bounce. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, gotta land speed. No. Okay. Yes. Reverse thrust. I forgot to reverse thrust. Oh no. No. Oh. Okay, I'm going reverse thrust. That's not working. Yeah. Oh. I don't think that works. Oh. Okay, let's retry that. Okay, we are almost there. We got the Boeing 737. Yes. Oh. We're putting reverse thrust here, so. Hey, do you think the flaps make the speed slow down more? No. Okay, land speed. Moving back to normal.
130,
10. Okay, reverse thrust. Yes. No. I just jumped. What? How's that even possible? If it was real life, it would still be going because I just, fell out. Oh, what happened to the Okay, we're almost at the aircraft carrier, but not that close, so we were thrusting. Yeah, so here's some music. Bum, bing, bum, bum, bing, 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 bing. I'm gonna sing the Doors elevator song. Bing, 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 bing. Oh, never mind. We're almost there. I don't think 200 knots is enough, so to land. So yeah, reverse thrust, of course. Okay, land speed. Gonna do the 757. I forgot to tell you that. What? Oh yeah, not enough speed. I mean, it was too fast, so we had to redo. Okay. Yeah, I should fast forward. I meant time warp, or what's called time lapse. Yeah, that's what it's called. Wait, I don't think we need to time lapse anymore. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, yeah, almost there. We're reverse thrusting. I don't think we're gonna make it. Yep, we did make it. Okay, let's retry, and this one I'm gonna time lapse. Okay, time lapse sounds are strange, but yeah. Okay, we are on land speed. I'm trying to find a good speed to good throttle percent to see for a good landing speed for aircraft carriers. Okay, we're about to land. Oh no, we're stalling. Oh, we're still alive. Okay. Yes, I did it. Okay, I landed a Boeing 757. Okay, time for the Boeing 767. Okay, we're almost there. Doors music. Dum dum da dum 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 da dum 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 da dum. Wait. Dum da dum dum. Shut up! Dum 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 dum. Okay, we don't need to sing anymore. I hardly think you heard someone say shut up. Oh, I missed the runway. Oh yeah. Too fast. The Boeing 767 is hard to land. I'll just time lapse until I can land. Why is the time lapse sound speed so crazy? Okay, landing time. Reverse first. Oh, we're not gonna make it. Oh, we're gonna find the water. Up. Oh, I give up. Yep. Bye, everyone. That will be a part 2, so goodbye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I have worked hard. Oh, I can't.